Hello everybody, welcome to Passive Income Source channel. In this video, I will discuss helpful tips to make success with affiliate market. We are all trying to make success, very quick success with affiliate marketing. I would like to share with you some tips that will help you to achieve that success in online business, especially with affiliate marketing. So let us go deep and see the details in this topic. Have a clear vision what you are really going to achieve, what you are really going to build online or offline. If you have no vision, you will never achieve any. That's the problem facing a lot of new online marketers. They have no long-term strategy to make success with affiliate marketing. So they are trying to solve some temporary challenge or financial difficulties they are facing. You need to be very careful if you are really trying to make success with affiliate marketing. It is the way I have really started with this business at the first time. That is what I want to do. I came on this online platform to make success, very quick success. I wanted to be rich in first few months, but it didn't happen at all. And I realized that there's no way of getting rich quick. Everything requires a very strategic plan. Everything requires a clear vision, very long-term objectives you need to achieve. You need to target those kind of objectives, and in that way you can make success with affiliate marketing. Otherwise, you should have another business. It's not your business at all. If you are really going to get or to achieve something very quickly, it's not your business at all. The second tip is be resourceful in this online business. The main backbone of this business is traffic, it's people. And if you wanted to get the trust of those people, you should be resourceful. You should provide the maximum information, the maximum knowledge you can provide online. In Google or YouTube, social media, everywhere, the people are going those platforms to get some information, to get something benefit. So you provide more resources, you get more attention. You can grab the attention of those visitors, those users. So if you wanted to be successful with Google, with YouTube, with all other platforms, you should provide resources, because they want to make their users happy, and they will make you happy. If you really wanted to show some success with affiliate marketing or with other online business, you should be resourceful. The third tip is show up regularly. On this platform, online business, the competition is very high. In online business, the competition is very high, and the people are all coming to those platforms to make success. But the only difference those people have is that some people are showing up regular and others do not do that. Those people who can't show up regularly, they are not getting any attention, because everyone is providing something. But the difference is some people are coming and showing up every day and providing some resource, providing some information every day. They are helping the people every day. They are answering the questions of the people every day. Those people only make the success with this platform. So if you really wanted to make success with affiliate marketing and in general with online business, you should show up regularly. You should publish your videos regularly. You should publish your articles regularly. You should be in touch with the people every day. It's a helpful tip also if you really want to make success with affiliate marketing. Last one is learn by doing. In this online business, you need to learn from what you are doing. Always you are testing something. It is a business based on test and see. So always you need to work on that mentality. You should believe that philosophy of test and see. And you are testing something, you learn something and testing it, and then you see what will come out. If the results you are getting are positive results or helpful results, it's okay, you are learning from. And also if they are negative or you are not getting what you really expecting, you also need to learn from that. You have to analyze those negative results also, and you have to discover what happened with your plan, what went wrong, what you can solve with it. A regular test will give you some good feedback, and you will learn by doing. Really, all the people, successful people you see, they have learned by doing it. So they have been always testing They have been always trying something. They have shown more efforts. They are showing up regularly, and finally they have achieved their objectives, and they really succeed with affiliate marketing. So in this video, I really would like to share with you to have a clear vision with your online business, and also to be resourceful, to show the people, to give the people something of value, and to provide content all the time, and also in a regular way. You provide videos in a regular way, you publish your videos regularly, and also you are learning from all those efforts. So if you are that kind of person, you will make success with affiliate marketing. Always have a clear vision, be resourceful, and also show up regularly. Learn from the lessons on the way, learn from the challenge, and in that way you can make success with affiliate marketing. So if you are really enjoying this video, please subscribe this channel and like the video to follow the new updates from me. Thank you for watching. See you soon.